Hello students, today we are going to see about the economic analysis unit 1. Here we are going to see about the nature and scope of economics. I like to explain that what is economics. Economics is a word that is derived from the Greek word and it means oikos and nemen, which means household management. So economics deals with both household management and also the economy as a whole. Here we are assuming that the man has bundles of desires which is satisfied by the goods and services, and these goods and services have some scarce. To produce that goods, we were while taking the production process, there will be some scarcity founded in the resources. We are going to see about what are that what an economic will needed and how to produce it. What are the problems faced by the economy? We are all seeing that. Here there are different authors explained about different their point of views. Here, there are few authors who gave a precious economic definitions. So, Adam Smith gives the wealth definition, and Alfred Marshall gave the welfare definition. The Lionel Robinson gives the scarcity definition, and Paul Samuelson gives the growth definitions. So, we have already known that the wealth definition was given by the Adam Smith, who is our father of economics. He gives his book Wealth of Nations in 1776. So Adam Smith was also known as an classical economist. So here we see that the JB says and JS Miller, Walker and B Price all agreed with Adam Smith. So these are the peoples not criticized their Adam Smith wealth definitions. In this definition, the wealth is given the first place and man is given the second place. Already we have seen that many times that the man need welfare, not wealth, but the nation needs wealth. I have already explained this in brief. So next we are going to see that here the Adam Smith was criticized by the Alfred Marshall, the science of welfare. So Adam Smith explained about how the industrial revolution is important, and how the wealth of the nation is most important. But Marshall was entirely changed this. The welfare of the man is very much important than the wealth of the nation. Even though the welfare of the nation also criticized by the other economist, because the welfare of the country is it is not at all more important than the wealth. So the concept of the welfare is not fixed. So the different times it will be changed to different countries. So the welfare of the nation also it's also criticized by the other members. And here the new economy came, thus the science of scarcity. So Lionel Robinson gives the science of scarcity. It explains with the human behavior relationship between the ends and scarce, which have the alternative uses. So the goods and price have the some scopes. Example, we can see some points like unlimited human wants, necessary, efficient, and for convention, convenient, etc. So there are many things are there. How to purchasing, we have that mostly needed goods and next needed goods, like that we can make choices with our ends and scats. And even though this also criticized by the other members, and it was has no neutral to ends, it fails its situations, and it was not related to the time and place, like that it was also criticized by the many members. So next we are going to see the definition of science of growth and development. So here we see the science of growth and development. The economics shows the how the men and the society choose with or without the use of money, and to explain the scarce productive resources which have the alternate uses to produce the various commodities over time and distribute them for the consumption for now and future amongst the various peoples and the group of the society. So here this is the modern economic that it was in now going in trend. So we also call this economics definition as modern definition of economics. So yeah, yeah, at current stage this was going on. We are still developing, and we are still have to develop our society with the future needs. We also will use this resources with the future need also. So we are controlled to use this.